Hi, good evening to all. Today, we are going to look at how to prepare cost sheet. Through cost sheet, how to prepare the quotation. Let's see. First, we will read the problem, then moving forward to calculate to prepare the quotation. First, the material 3,50,000, labor 2,70,000, factory overheads 81,000, administrative overheads 56,080. It's all relevant to cost sheet. Then it has some details about quotation. Material 1k, labor 700. Absorb factory overhead on the basis of labor. Administrative overhead on the basis of work cost. Profit and tolerant of percentage of selling price is required. In this problem, they have clearly mentioned the factory overhead has faced on the labor charges. Administrative overhead has faced on work cost. If they didn't mention anything, we have to assume factory overhead always bases on labor charges. Administrative overhead always bases on work cost. It is the format of cost sheet. Cost sheet for the Gleason Company Limited 2011. Particulars and amount. But in examination, you need to present in effective way. Then only you can get a full mark. The evaluator looks at the presentation also. First we will write the material value, then labor value. If you add both, we can get a train cost as 6,20,000. Then we need to add the factory overheads. Then we can get an work cost as 7,01,000. Then we need to add the administrative overhead 56,080. Finally, we have arrived in cost of production as 7,50,080. Now let's see how to prepare the quotation. Statement showing price to be quoted for a refrigerator. Particulars and amount. Purchase of raw material 1,000. Need to add labor charges as 700. Then we can get the prime cost. It is also given in the problem. Then need to calculate the factory overheads. Here is the working note for the calculation of factory overheads. Factory overheads are always basis on labor charges. 81,000 and 2,70,000 we have taken from the cost sheet. If we multiple with 100, we can get 30%. 30% of what? 30% of labor charges. Here is 700 is labor charges, right? If we calculate 700 of 30%, we can get factory overheads as 210. We need to add the prime cost and the factory overheads to calculate work cost as 1,910. Then moving forward to calculate administrative overhead. Here is the working note for the calculation of the administrative overhead. Administrative overhead always bases on work cost. Administrative overhead and work cost values we have taken from the cost sheet. If we multiple with 100, we can get 80%. 80% of the work cost. Here is the work cost is 1,910. if we now calculate the 8% of 1910, we can get 152.80. If we add both the administrative overhead and work cost, we can get the cost of production as the 2062.80. Now we need to calculate the profit, but here is the small formula to calculate the profit. We need the cost of production, right? That is the total cost, because we don't have the selling and distribution costs. So it is the final cost for calculation of a profit. Cost into the percentage of profit and sales, divide by 100 minus the percentage of profit and sales. Here is the cost of production to 2062.80. Profit and sales is 12.5%, that is 12.5. We can write it in the way also. Then then 100 minus 12.5, we can get 87.5. 87.5. If we solve this, we can get 294.68. If we add profit and total cost, we can get the selling price or the final sales price. Total cost is 2062.80. Profit is 294.68. If you add it to both, then we can get sales. Sometimes in the problem sales value sales value is given. That time we need to subtract the total cost from sales value. We can get a profit. Thank you.